This is handy TF. This soundbar stops working. It uses the digital optical cable to connect to the TV. So I want to take out the optical cable to check if the cable is faulty. But it is pretty hard to unplug the cable. That is actually a good thing. The better opticals click in place, so they are meant to come out with a little pressure. First flip the soundbar over and try to get as much access to the cable as possible. Optical fibers are extremely thin strands of glass used to direct light. So don't pull the cable. Grip the head of the plug and gently pull it away from the port until it comes out. If you meet any resistance, the plug may have clips holding it in. So squeeze the sides of the plug and pull again. The light is coming out of the end of cable. This digital optical cable looks good to me. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.